Hello everyone, time for Christmas countdown, part 5 of 12. It's 12 days of Christmas, ticket price €10 and have to find 3 same symbols behind the dates. That's the first of the games. Fireplace, holly, polar bear, skate, bell, snowflake, icicle, stocking, candy cane, clove, second candy cane, sled, second stocking, scarf, fireplace. I think it's the second one, second fireplace. Need one more fireplace. Sled, second sled as well. Holly, that's also the second one. So I'm starting to get 2 of everything again. Polar bear, the second one. Second icicle, second clove, second skate, second bell. 1, 2. Yes, second bell. Second scarf. I'm starting to dislike the word second. I'd love to say third. That's last chance. Second snowflake. Okay, bonus bubble. We need reindeer. But there is squirrel and owl. When is reindeer coming to play? Fast cash. Match 2 amounts to win that amount. Nothing on this one. 2 same amounts, please. Nothing on this one. Nothing on this one. And the last chance for the fast cash. No, no. And match 3 on 25. No. 2 50s. Is it going to be a 50? No. So not the winning one. Bad luck. Walk it. See you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching and hope you're keeping your fingers crossed. Bye.